Well, so it's 5:30 in the morning as I'm recording this, and basically I've been up half the night because that's what I just finished a cold water bath, and it's like that's what it's pretty cold here in Ranchi, and actually I'm sitting in my room right now because outside it's all dark, so so that's what Ranchi. It becomes morning. It's I think at 7 in the morning it'll be all light and bright, but right now being 5:30, it's pitch dark outside. But that's what I just felt I should make this short video, uh, that's what it's just cold water bath is something that apparently if you want to look young you should do it, but it's a real it's bitingly cold, the water. But yeah, this is one of the apparent techniques to look young is to have a cold water bath every day. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.